I'm Professor Richard Mythen. I've been working for decades at the forefront of food research to understand how we can eat better. That's why I helped create the Smarter Food Company, a spin-off from the Quadram Institute, one of the UK's leading food and health research organisations. Our company is developing foods with proven health benefits, foods like our SmarterNaturally vegetable soup that could provide health benefits to those at risk of developing type 2 diabetes.
Type 2 diabetes is an enormous global public health issue. Most pre-diabetics are just advised to change their diet, but in reality compliance is low, and about 20% go on to develop full-blown diabetes within 5 years. So we need to think differently. If we had a food product that could reduce the risk of populations developing type 2 diabetes, then that would be a game changer.
Broccoli's long been considered to be a superfood, but not all broccolis are the same. The Smarter Food Company uses a unique variety that contains significantly higher amounts of a naturally occurring compound, glucoraphanin. Research suggests that the soup made with this particular broccoli could help those at risk of developing type 2 diabetes by returning elevated blood glucose to normal levels. We're currently undertaking clinical trials to extend our data, with a view to securing proprietary health claims from the European Food Safety Authority and other regulatory bodies around the world.
This is a fast-growing market with significant consumer demand. The global nutraceutical market is projected to reach over $700 billion by 2027. When it's launched next year, our SmarterNaturally soup will be sold in a pack of 4 and can easily be incorporated into your diet by just eating 1 portion a week. And it tastes really good. Our technology is patented and the whole production process is outsourced to specialist food producers. We're planning a subscription service once commercialisation is well established. The additional funding we're now seeking is to bring our product to market early next year.
Smarter Food Company is a great fit for our fund. The approach is built on many years of published, peer-reviewed science by Richard Mythen. Product concept is a simple one, but it's addressing such a massive unmet need, which is only getting bigger. The team has a great range of experience and skills, so for all of those reasons, we're very excited by our investment in the Smarter Food Company, and we think they've got a bright future.
Getting this soup to market to help in the global fight against diabetes is a first opportunity, but there are many more. Published research suggests that glucoraphanin may also help to lower cholesterol, boost immunity, and have a positive impact on various types of cancer, such as breast and prostate cancer. So we're really excited about the possibilities that our new food products could unlock.
We really want to help society eat smarter. Why not join us in empowering people to build a healthier future?